What's up, you guys? It's Katie, and today we are learning the dance called the Tush Push. So, the Tush Push has been around for a long time. And one important thing to remember about dances that have been around for a long time is that over time they're going to adapt to have their own variations on the floor. I'm going to be teaching it the way it is listed on Copper Knob, and the way the step sheet is written on Copper Knob. But if you see it slightly differently in your bars, that's going to be expected and that's normal. So just adapt to as you see in the bars. If you're going to be competing this, it's good to know what's on the step sheet, but it's also good to add your own vibe. So it's 40 counts, 4 walls with no tags and no restarts. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so normally I teach dances in segments of 8. I'm going to be teaching this dance in segments that break apart in counts that make sense. So this first break will probably be in a count of 12. So we're going to be starting with some heel switches. I'm going to be starting with my right foot. On 1, I'm taking my right heel and putting it out in front of me. 1, and I'm going to be bringing, 2, I'm bringing it back. 2, 3, 4, I'm tapping it in front of me twice. 3, 4. And 5, I'm switching over to my left side. So I went. So the pattern goes 1, out, 2, back in, 3, 4, and 2 out. Okay? And 5, I'm switching over to my left, and 5 is out, 6 is back, 7, 8. So we went forward, back, forward, and forward, back, forward, and. Okay? I'm going to be doing one of each. So 9 and 10 and one more on the right, and then a clap. Okay? So in total, I'm going right, together, right, and left, together, left, and left, and right, clap. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing the hip bump section. This is 8 counts. Normally, you see this done 2 different ways. You can see people with their foot slightly forward, going forward and back. In the step sheet, it's written as side to side, but it's the same rhythm either way. So we go to our right foot for 2 hip bumps. 1, 2. To our left for 2 hip bumps. 3, 4. And then 4 individual ones going back and forth. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's just try that pattern. We went step, heel, clap. We went 1, 2 on our right, 3, 4 on our left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next we have the shuffles and the rock recover section. So we just did our hip bumps. So 1 and 2, I'm shuffling forward, right, left, right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, rocking on my left and then recovering on my right. 3, 4, 5 and 6, I'm doing a back shuffle, left, right, left. 5 and 6, 7, 8, doing a rock back on my right foot. 7, and then rocking forward on my left, 8. Okay, so that's starting with a right shuffle. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. On the next count of 8, we're going to be starting again with another shuffle forward. 1 and 2. This time I'm doing a pivot turn. 3, 4. 5 and 6, I'm doing another shuffle forward. 5 and 6, 7, 8, one more pivot turn. 7, 8. I'm adding on another 4 counts from here. It's going to be a quarter turning pivot. 1, 2. So I'm now facing my 9 o'clock wall. 3, 4 is I'm going to be stomping my right foot in place. 3, 4 is a clap. You'll see different variations of the tush push, either doing 2 stomps or doing something different, or a stomp clap. Either way, you got 2 beats left over. So that whole cha-cha section, we just did our hips. We went forward once, right, 1 and 2, rock, recover, 3 and 4, rock, recover, 1 and 2, turn, 3 and 4, turn, quarter, turn, stomp, clap. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do all of tush push with counts, starting from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, again, that is all of the tush push. No tags, no restarts. Now, before you guys leave a comment in my comment section saying, I've been doing the tush push for 20 years and that's not what it looks like, I know. It's because the way the step sheet is written is different, probably than Most people have learned it on the floor. Variations happen over time. And that's okay. That's what your bar does. Then follow what your bar does. But I'm going to be taking the lesson from the step sheet because that's what's in the database on Copper Knob, and that's why I film the lessons the way that I do. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you out on the dance floor.